the Yellowstone caldera evacuation plan in case Yellowstone megavolcano erupts. Millions of U.S. citizens could end up in Brazil or even Africa if the Yellowstone supervolcano erupts. It has been claimed in recent news articles. A South African news website, Prague, claims the African National Congress was offered almost $10 billion a year for 10 years if it would build temporary housing for Americans in case of an eruption as part of emergency plans being drawn up in Washington. Bloggers and conspiracy theorists online have spent weeks debating the plan since it was claimed. Video showed animals fleeing the Yellowstone Park, even though park rangers claimed they were in fact scared by tourists. You had better move out of the ground zero areas of Wyoming, Kansas, Colorado and Nebraska, where the ash depth will be 3 to 10 feet thick and collapse almost all structures. All roads and access be blocked, with only a 3-day reserve of food in normal times. Starvation will occur within days. If you are in eastern U.S. states, you are advised to store up to 1 year's worth of food and water. Also, buy fruit and berry plants if possible to raise on your property. Normal life and shopping will cease to exist. Learn growing techniques to improve your survival skills. Plant trees that grow fast for fuel. Highland Hill Farm can supply trees and plant seedlings to get you started. Call us at 215-651-8329.
You may not be thinking about the caldera in Yellowstone and the fact that it could blow your lifetime or the lifetime of your children, but it is a distinct possibility that this volcano will erupt and disrupt the food supplies of our nation. And in that case, you had better have an emergency plan to stockpile food or grow your own food and fiber. This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers.